The 70s couldn't have come at a better time.